Hi, my name is Keith Halls, and I would like to introduce you to the System 126, a model of duplication. It's powerful, it's effective, and most importantly, it can work for you. You know, network marketing is never easy, but oftentimes we make it way too hard. Many people are joining network marketing today because it is one of, if not the, best way to create a part or full-time income. And in today's world, we all know people who are looking for extra money, and our plan and model for success can be exactly what you're looking for. This economic crisis is worldwide, and people are looking for a method of earning extra income to help with the family budget. Welcome to the world of XFuse and our compensation plan. I truly believe it can be the best vehicle to help you succeed. Not only do you have the right company with the right product and the right compensation plan, now you also have a system of duplication that will help you and guide you along your way. Welcome to System 126. Now, it's time to learn it, but even more importantly, it's time to put it to work. First, let's make a couple of assumptions at the very beginning. Number one, we're going to assume that each of you sign up at the $300 level and that your auto ship will be at $240 a month. The next assumption is that you have already made your list of contacts. If you follow the plan in our training model, you've already made your list. However, if you haven't, do it now. On your list, be sure and include at least 50 people. When I'm making mine, I always ask myself two questions. First, do I know anyone involved in network marketing? This is very important. If you were going to start a baseball team today, you would look for the best players to fill your team. If you filled your team with a bunch of people who've never played before, you may have a pretty rough time. It's the same in network marketing. Try and think of the people who do have experience in the industry and who can help your business succeed. The second is if you were starting a new business today, who are the people who, if you had as your employees, would give you the best chance for success? And these are the people we need to talk to. Under the System 126, we're also going to assume that you will sponsor or sign up at least 2 people each and every week. Again, how many? 2. Next, we're also going to assume that you're going to teach this duplication model to your team and that they will do the exact same things, or, again, in other words, that they will sponsor 2 new people every week. In your first week, if you sponsor 2 new people, then you're going to put 1 person on your right side and 1 person on your left side. Since they too will be signing up at the $300 level, you will earn a fast start bonus in your very first week of $80, $40 for each person. During your first week in network marketing, you're already earning money. In your second week, you will have taught your downline to duplicate this same system, and they too will add 2 new people to their downline, 1 on their left and 1 on their right. Another very important factor, though, is that not only will they sponsor 2 new people, but again, you will sponsor 2 new people, 1 on your right and 1 on your left. During your second week, you will earn $80 of fast start for the 2 people you sponsored, and also $80 for the 4 people that you sponsored in your first week who also sponsored someone. This is called the Fast Start Match. During the second week, you will also qualify for the team commission bonus. This is the amount that you can earn on your binary commission, or 10% of the smaller side. Since both sides have $600, you will earn a check for $60 on the binary volume. You know what? It gets even better. You're going to earn an additional $30 for the chairman's bonus. You see, the chairman's bonus is also paid out on your binary volume or the volume on your smaller side. With this bonus, you can earn an additional 5% on the exact same volume. All you have to do to qualify for this bonus is sponsor one person during that week and make sure they sign up for AutoShip. Since you've already done that, you will receive this bonus and you will receive an additional $30 on your check for this week. During your second week, you add all the bonuses together and you will earn $250. Again, remember, for the System 126 to work to its fullest, you, as well as everyone else, need to sponsor those 2 people every week. Now, week number 3 is when the duplication process really starts to pay off for you as well as the other members of your team. During week number 3, again, everyone sponsors 2 new people, including yourself. But watch as the process starts to grow and as each person adds 2 new people during this week. You see, during week number 3, you're going to be able to earn $80 for the 2 people you sponsored, $160 on the Fast Start Match, $180 on the binary volume, and $90 on the Chairman's Bonus. In your third week, your check is already $510 for that week alone. Now we come to week number 4, and if you've taught your members effectively and your team members have taken this duplication method and put it into practice, by week number 4, you will add 54 new members to your downline in that week alone. That is the power of network marketing. It's the power of working together. It's the power to be able to build a long-term residual check, one that can last for years. In fact, in week number 4, your downline becomes so large we can't even put it on one page. But I'm going to show you one side of the organization. And as you can see, it's truly amazing how fast your team will grow in this week alone. It's impossible to determine what your exact earnings will be during this week because now you are a director and you qualify for the director match. However, I do know that you're going to earn $80 in Fast Start, $320 in the Fast Start Match, $530 in team commissions, and then you will also earn the director match bonus. This is a system that can truly help people, whether they're looking for full or part-time work. This is for people who are looking for the extra money to be able to replace lost income or to add to their present one. Remember, there are no guarantees in network marketing, but what I've learned about our compensation plan is that it will work as hard for you as you do for it. This is Keith Halls welcoming you to our team in NextView and wishing you the very best on your path to success.